Otters are like mini puppies, super clingy, and always sticking by your side. They love being petted because their bodies are full of nerve endings. A gentle rub is like a dose of pure bliss for them, making them let out these adorable little whimpers, as if you've hit their sweet spot. It's so cute you'll have to scoop them up for a cuddle. Oh, and they love nibbling on fingers too. Why? It's a leftover habit from their baby days when they nursed. Plus, it helps soothe their nerves. Basically, otters are fluffy, cuddly, anxiety balls with the cutest coping mechanisms ever.